telling our story, inspiring the globe.
Sannan balasun lilam ni yumanan bakari lela suyar tabu yanda suya farni Gumbanzugu bale yasun. Welcome to Wurkun TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching our video. Today I'm by name Monica Bakari. Today we are going to teach you on how to prepare one of our meal, Gumbanzugu. Minini zugu. Minini muge amora. Minini mulula. Minini moga. Minini muruzugu. Minini muge ngugu. This one is granite, grounded granite. This one is amora. It's one of the flour that we used to do the Gumbanzugu. This one is ash liquid. This one is salt. This one is chicken feathers. And this one is granite oil. So, who gaba? Minini amora. This one is amora. It's one of the flour that we used to do the Gumbanzugu. Minini zugu. This one is granite, grounded granite. Now we are going to mix it. Now we are going to put our ash liquid. We are putting our salt. You mix it again after putting the salt. Natol murka suba mimi. We add with water. After putting the water, you mix it well. After putting your frying pan, you allow the groundnut oil to stay for a while. When you allow the groundnut oil to stay for a while, then you start putting your Gumbanzugu to start frying it. Balasun ugab mela sumalasun Gumbanzuguri ugab yende Gumbanzuguri dobni so pa Gumbanzugu mini misa gogla ko mawo idi mari ko kuma babare yo abenu ka parbi Gumbanzugu mini ki kenni saraba koyi. As you can see, we are done with our Gumbanzugu. This Gumbanzugu we used to do it occasionally. like our traditional festival, wedding, and a lot more. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Thank you for watching.